Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. Today we'll understand the topology. So content are as follow. The first one, structure of network, that is meant to say topology. What is topology? Second one thing, different type of topologies, their types like bus, star, ring, mesh, tree and hybrid topology. And at last we'll understand types of network like PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN, and then homework. So let's begin. So here first of all we have to understand what is topology. I mean to say structure of a network, the geometrical arrangement of the computer resources, okay, network devices along with the communication channel is known as network structure or network topology. Okay student, in other word we can say that if the computer are connected to each other, okay, the arrangement of a computer in a particular network is termed as network topology. Okay, now next one thing, topology can be physical or logical. So here first point we'll consider physical topology, okay, layout of nodes. Nodes means those computers which are connected to the network and cable in a network. Logical topology, the way information flow between the different computers, okay, that meant to say wireless connections. Third one thing, we'll understand types of physical network topology. So student, we are talking about only physical topology. Okay, so these are following types. So first one thing, bus topology, second star topology, third ring topology and mesh topology, then tree topology and at last hybrid topology. First of all we'll discuss the bus topology. So here you can consider student, a particular line is given here, okay, that is treated as a bus. Okay, so here is one start and another one is end point. So nodes are connected through the common communication media like diagram that is given here. Okay, so first of all its advantage, student, it is easy to install, okay, and minimal the cable. So you can understand there is easy to install it, cable require less in amount. Disadvantage of bus topology, difficult to reconnect. Suppose that if one computer is disconnected, okay, and this will difficult to identify whether it is problem this computer is not getting the signal or not. Difficult to find out the problem, then difficult to add new devices. Okay, and at last break stop all transmission of data. So you can consider, suppose that this computer is going to be a breakdown, I am to say disconnected, okay, or not working properly, rest of the topology will not work, other computer will not get the signal. Now next one thing, star topology. The star topology use a separate cable, okay, for each nodes, okay, or workstation. That cable connect the node to a central device, usually you can say that hub or switch. You can consider a student, here is a central hub or switch can be possible. Number of the wires are going to every node and it is formed the star topology, star shape. So what are the advantage of this topology? Actually it require less expensive than mesh. Okay, we will understand what is mesh topology, but according to that it is less expensive, easy to install, easy to configure. If one link is fail, network can still work in functioning. Suppose that this will node, I am to say computer is not working or disconnected, so other will work as usual. Disadvantage, everything depend on the hub. Suppose that center communication device or network devices fail, whole network will be destroyed. I am to say star topology will not work properly. Now ring topology, student. In the ring topology, every computer connected to the next computer, the ring and each transmit the signal what it received from the previous computer. Okay, the message flow around the ring one direction. Okay, so you can see that it is unidirectional topology. Okay, so here every computer, I mean to say node connected to everyone, I mean to say one end to start and chase to first one. Okay, if the particular one computer is disconnected, so whole network will form again the bus topology. So advantage will understand, easy to install, second one thing easy to reconfigure, then easy to detect the problem, and last disadvantage or ring topology, if any system will be break, so whole topology will be dead. Okay. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, separate cable is used for connecting each device to everyone, okay, or every devices on network, providing the site, okay, straight communication path. You can consider, student, here is this node connected to this node also, this one also, this one and this one also, every node connected to each one. That is mesh topology. So advantage of this particular topology, it avoids the traffic since link can carry its own data and none of the being shared. Okay, student. So here, if this particular node want to share the information to that one thing, so there are the number of the lines, I am to say connection or the path are there by which that particular computer can send the information. So it avoid the traffic, okay, and anyway anyhow the information reaches to the this node. If link break, then rest of network still function. Okay, if any wire, I mean to say any link is going to be break, so rest of the other link will be work and the mesh topology is still in work. Easy to detect the problem, okay, in the network by discovering which device having the problem and examining the link to the connected to. Suppose that this computer is not working, okay, so we can get the easily detect the problem. Disadvantage, a lot of cable are needed. You can see, as you can see in figure, student, a lot of cables are required to form the mesh topology. Too many cable means too much cost, that means to say expensive. Too many cable means a complex network also, okay. So a normal person can't configure this particular mesh topology easy. It should be professional skill and practice and experience also. So student, we are talking about a tree topology, student. So here you can see, student, a tree topology containing a root, as you can see in figure. Okay, here is figure. This particular node is considered as that is root. The top level of the hierarchy is known as their different levels like 0 level, 1 level and 2 level. So these are connected to one or more each other, okay, to form the 1 level or lower and hierarchy. So what are the advantage of the tree topology? It is scalable. Yes, student, we can connect the another one computer or node in any node, okay, according to the tree topology. It is easier to fault identification and isolation. Disadvantage of tree topology, that is maintenance of network may be an issue because every computer connected to another one computer. So if there is between the this node is going to be disturbed, so maintenance should require the what thing issue also. I am to say it is hard to maintain. Okay, if the backbone is failed, the entire network is scrapped. Okay, so suppose that this particular node is going to be failed, so entire network will be destroyed. Now we are talking about the hybrid topology. In hybrid topology, student, at least 2 or more than 2 network topology combination is known as hybrid topology. Okay, so it is used to combine any 2 or more topologies, such as the way that resulting the network does not exhibit one or standard topology like bus, star, ring, etc. You can see, student, here is a bus, this one is a star. Okay, student, if this is connected along with this one, consider as hybrid technology, that is topology. Now we are talking about types of network. So there are 4 type of network. Basically there are 3 type of network, but we are going to include the PAN also, that is personal area network. Okay, it is used to communication between 2-3 mobile devices or PC for personal purpose. Okay, the second one thing, local area network, that is LAN, limited area within the building, room, etc. Third one thing, metropolitan area network, that is MAN, within a city. Okay, a building to building connection, okay, within a city is termed as MAN. Now wide area network, that is WAN, within a multiple city or state or country is termed as wide area network. So let us understand one by one. So first of all, we understand what is a PAN, that is personal area network. So it is actually spread in a approximately of individual, okay, cover the area of few meters radius, that is set up for guided media like USB cable or the unguided media like Bluetooth, infrared, etc. Owned and controlled and managed by the single person only. Example, a network of devices such as computer, phone, MP3, MP4 player, camera, etc. transferring the song from one cell to another phone, okay, like Bluetooth transmission also. Okay, It is a pan of two phones. Okay, so transforming the files from PC to MP3 player and between them, this is termed as a personal area network. So now local area network, that is LAN. LAN are most frequently used or discussed in networks. Okay, and this is one of the most common of the following simplest type of the network. This is desired for one small physical area such as office, group, okay, buildings. Okay, any different type of topology can be used to design LAN like star, ring, bus, tree, etc. Characteristic of LAN: it is specially private network. That means to say no need to regularity of the control. Okay, like in a room you can have the private network also. Operate in a relatively high speed. Yes student, if it the I mean to say if the particular distance is less, so speed will be definitely high. And then now third one thing, Ethernet. Okay, token, ring. Okay, type of media access control are used. So Ethernet means Ethernet cable, Cat6, Cat5, okay, RJ45 cap, okay, that is connected. So by using that one thing, you can create a token, ring, such type of control on them. Okay, using the topology. Now next one thing, connects the computer in a single building block or campus also. Okay, advantage of LAN. Okay, so resource sharing, definitely we are using network for sharing the resources like hardware, okay, and softwares. Software application sharing, same thing. Easy and install and communication, yes it is easy, one wire we can require for that. Centralized data, yes, if we are going to make a star topology, that time we can store the information centralized way. Data security, yes, information is never going to be leaked if you are having the LAN in a building, in a room. Internet sharing, yes, you can have the sharing of internet services also. Okay, we can consider an example, a network, office building, school or home. Okay, sometime our building can contain few small LANs, like some school having the independent LANs, each computer on lab. Disadvantage of LAN: high speed setup cost. Okay, that is first of all high setup cost required. Okay, the second one thing, privacy violation. Okay, third one thing, data security threat. Fourth one thing, LAN maintenance job. And last one, covers the limited area. Now we are discussing MAN, that is metropolitan area network. Actually it is spread within a city, okay, which covers an area of few kilometers. Okay, kilometers we can consider within a city 5 kilometer. Okay, if your city covers the 5 kilometers area, so we are talking regarding to that. Okay, so it is a cover the few kilometers to few hundred kilometers radius. Radius means all over the around the circle. It set up using all type of guided media, unguided media, owned and operated by the government body or the larger corporation. So it means to say it may contain land, small pieces of land of the city also, and it is connected to all network of a city. Okay, which is in hundreds of kilometers only. Example, a network of school or bank or government or office within a city. A MAN is usually found by interconnecting a number of the LANs in individual computers. Now wide area network, students, actually it is slightly more complex than a LAN and WAN. Okay, which is connect the across the all over physical distance. Okay, the application of WAN is internet. Actually the internet is the most basic example of WAN. Actually it is connected all computer together around the world, because the WAN is the vast reach. Okay, it is typically owned and maintained by single person or owner. Okay, characteristic of WAN: cover large distance, state, country or countries, okay, and contents also. Communication medium like satellite, public telephone, network, etc., and resources are used for established connection. Example, a network of ATM, bank, national government office, international organization, office, etc., spread over all country. Okay, and containment or conveying the many areas. Now advantage of WAN: so long distance business can be connected through the one network, that is internet. Share software and resources. Definitely we can use the networking through the share resources also. Next one thing, message can be sent very quickly to wide range of the nodes. Okay, and then hardware devices can be shared. Disadvantage of WAN, need a good firewall to restrict the unauthorized access for hacking. Okay, for preventing for hacking, I mean to say. Setting up a network can be expensive, slow and complicated. Okay, whenever we are going to connect with the larger network, okay, the internet can be slow due to the longest distance. Maintaining a network is full-time job. Definitely it is full-time job. The last one thing, security is major issue when many different people have the ability to use the information. Now student, the last topic, I mean to say last section, that is homework section. Make the note of the day of networking and send to my WhatsApp number. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.